Hi, guys. We have been talking about writing an information book, and today I want to teach you that information writers rehearse and plan their table of contents. Today I'll be using a digital journal, and I created one for everyone in your Google Slides folder. Yes, I know the next question is going to be, where's my Google Slides folder? Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how to locate your digital folder. So the first thing we're going to do, because it's a Google document, we go to Google. Then we go to the right corner. Do you see my pointer right here? Check that the avatar here is you. You have to be signed into your Google. So that's the first thing you'd want to do. Then right next to it, there's a little square of 9 dots. We call that a waffle. So you click on the waffle and you look for the icon that says Google Slides. It's going to be yellow, and you click on your slides. In your slides folder, you're going to find your digital journal. I have a lot here because I have everyone's own, but I'm going to look for mine. Mine says Mrs. Johnson's At Home Learning Digital Notebook. So I'm going to make it full screen so we can. Okay. So you guys know how I love the beach, so that's my journal. I put a little picture and so on, so you can also decorate your journal just like you would do your regular journal. Now, last week you were supposed to write about your endangered animal. So my endangered animal, I chose a turtle, baby turtles, and I looked at a photo that was last week Wednesday's lesson, and I said, I noticed that this turtle is blue, which seems to be an unusual color for a turtle. I always thought that turtles were mostly green. The turtle looks like a baby turtle. I noticed that its head and body are quite small. Its flippers seem big compared to its body. I wonder if the turtle needs strong flippers to swim in the ocean. I noticed that there are other turtles in the sand. I wonder where these baby turtles are headed. So that was my reflection about the picture, and I used the sentence stems that were given in the lesson, and they're highlighted in yellow. So I'm going to move on. Our next assignment was to look at a video on the same animal. So we were researching an endangered animal, and I'm going to play the video. The first of the hatchlings start to emerge. But for the young hatchlings, the trials of life have only just begun. Each new arrival will have to make a perilous dash to reach the ocean. Now they're on their own. Inevitably, the tiny defenseless hatchlings attract scores of predators. Terns and herons patrol the beach. And in the shallows, reef sharks lie in wait. Great numbers are lost, but enough will make it to the ocean to ensure the species' survival. Right, so I looked at this video and I noticed that as soon as the turtles start crawling towards the beach, their lives are in danger. I see predators waiting to snap up the baby turtles as they make their way to the sea. I wonder where the parents are at this time. I noticed that some of them do manage to make it to the ocean. I wonder if they swim together. This reminds me of how fish swim in large numbers for protection. See, I didn't see that, but that's just coming into my mind when I looked at the video. I wonder what humans could do to help those poor baby turtles, or even if we should. So I this was what I wrote on the video that we just looked at. So and I put all of that into my digital notebook. So I want to show you now your table of contents. Now, after you did your research, now we're going to focus on table of contents. And when we are talking about a table of contents, we just don't write anything in any order. We plan what we're going to write. And it's very important because when we write information books, we write to teach something about a topic. And our table of contents helps us to organize our chapters so we can teach it well. So to plan our table of contents, we can use different text structures. We can use boxes and bullets, compare and contrast, problem and solution. So I'm going to show you some ways that you can do that. For instance, this is what the boxes and bullets would look like. So for the box, I've put what baby turtles look like in the box. And for the bullets, I've put their eyes, their shell, their flippers, their legs, all the different things that I want to talk about. And that's how a table of contents using boxes and bullets would look like. So we have a topic, and then the topic would be what baby turtles look like, and the subtopics would be the different parts of the body. Compare and contrast. Compare and contrast could look like this. We could be talking about baby turtles as compared to adult turtles. So I would have baby turtles and I'd say what baby turtles look like and how baby turtles survive. Then I would say what adult turtles look like to compare it to the baby turtles and how adult turtles survive, which might be the same or which it might be something different. So I'm comparing and contrasting baby and adult turtles. Still on my topic about endangered animals, but I'm using different ways to present my information. Or I could also use a problem and solution approach. So I could put the problem out there to tell the people who I'm trying to teach my information book, this is the problem that baby turtles have. And then the solution would be how what we could do to solve it or how they solve their own problems. So the problem, I would put one, baby turtles are born, two, they fall to the sea, and three, predators attack. So I would have information about the problem. This is the problem. When they are born on the beach, they have problems getting to the sea. And then the solution would be how we can help those baby turtles. So, or if we should at all. So that would be my information book. So there are also other things in your digital journal. I have put some topics that if you have extra time, you can write about what's going on right now. You can write how you are staying connected to your friends, family, and class during this time. And there are other topics as well. So this is your digital journal, and that was today's lesson. Thank you so much.